Are you a teenager's parent and your child lacks focus and loves the screen? This is a big opportunity for you. 8 out of 10 mothers of teenagers today are experiencing the bad mom syndrome. They feel that they are responsible for their child's behavior. If this is a feeling, stop right here. The truth is something else. 2019, no one imagined a pandemic of this scale. 2020, schools shut down and children electronically connected and physically disconnected. So now the right time to blame and criticize. Neither yourself nor your child. Every day I get hundreds of messages asking for solutions. So here I am with a 2-hour free online workshop. Learn faster and memorize better. The 21 Ninja Ways. Here go the details. Hi, I'm Seema Chaudhary, success expert and a self-confidence specialist. And over the past 2 decades, I've helped lakhs of students to gain self-confidence and get rid of laziness, overthinking and self-doubt. Learn faster, memorize better. 21 great ways. Easy to understand and quick to apply. Click the sign up button below and fill in your details. With the right scientific techniques, let's together make the study journey of your child not only doable but enjoyable as well. Click the sign up button below and register right now.